Hey guys, Bandit here, what is up? So, about a week ago, I put a pair of cheap train horns up there. There's only 2 of them, so you have them hooked up, and there's a hose that runs all the way down. I have to blow into the hose because, you know, I'm lazy. Oh god, wasp. Ah! I'm being attacked, help me! Oh god. Camera zoomed in the whole time. Get away! God! Alright, anyway. Can you not interrupt my videos? Anyway. So it's noon. I'm gonna open up my control box and, well, not yet. 11:58. Okay, 59, never mind. So I guess we're just gonna wait here. That's a lot of gnats on that window. Okay. Is that wasp coming to attack me again? Hope not. That's scary. I hate wasps. But, sorry about my bad camera work. I'll show you after the alert blast. 30-second blast, because I don't feel like doing 1 minute. So 30 seconds till noon. The camera's about to die, so that's a good sign. So I'm gonna set my camera down, probably over, I don't know. Hold up. Oh, here we go. My watch is gonna beep 2 times, because, yeah, we're... Oh, there you go, beep beep. So here we go, 30-second alert blast and 3 honks in the diaphone. Well, the cheap train horns. I'm gonna call them diaphones because I feel like it. Hold on. This is like behind the scenes. Okay, here we go. I said to do 20 because whatever. Alright, now we're gonna do 3 honks. Lit! Alright. Oh god, not again. Alright, well, that was it. In the next video, I'll show you how everything's hooked up, because I'll go up on the pole, even though my ankle is killing me because I twisted it. So, yep, that's pretty cool. So, yeah. Sorry if you can't hear me, because my neighbor's mowing, I think. Yeah, alright, whatever.